Myself Arjun Pal, and I'm pursuing my first SIM in Computer Science and Engineering in Cybersecurity from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today we're going to discuss about the topic that is classes and objects in Python. So let us know what is class or what are classes. In Python, classes are the blueprint for creating objects. They encapsulate data and behavior into a single unit. Now, what are objects? Objects are the inheritance of classes, representing real world entities. Understanding classes and objects is fundamental for object oriented programs, which is also known as OOPs. Creating a class. To create a class in Python, use the class keyword followed by the class name. Define attributes and methods within the class to represent the data and behavior of the objects. Classes provide a way to organize and structure code. Coming to instantiating objects. Once a class is defined, object can be created using the class name followed by parentheses. This process is called instantiation. Such object has its own set of attributes and can invoke class methods. Coming to attributes and methods. Classes are attributes to store data and methods to define behavior. Attributes are accessed using dot notation and methods are invoked using parentheses. Understanding the distinction between attributes and methods is very crucial. Inheritance and polymorphism. Python supports inheritance, allowing a class to inherit attributes and methods from another class. This promotes code reusability. Polymorphism enables objects to be treated as instances of the parent class, providing flexibility in code design. Now coming to encapsulation and abstraction. Classes in Python promote encapsulation, where data and methods are bound together. This helps in data hiding and prevents direct access to attributes. Abstraction allows the representation of essential features without including a background detail. Now let us know what are class constructors and destructors. Python classes can have special methods called constructors and destructors. The constructor method initializes the object while the destructor method performs cleanup tasks when the object is no longer needed. Understanding these methods is important for managing object lifecycle. Talking about class variables and instance variables. Classes in Python can have class variables shared by all instances of the class, and instance variables unique to each object. Understanding the difference between these variables is crucial for effective use of classes and objects. Method overriding and overloading. Python allows method overriding, where a subclass can provide a specific implementation of a method defined in its parent class. Method overloading is achieved using default arguments or variable length argument list, enabling a method to perform different tasks based on the input. Talking about the best practices of classes and objects. Follow best practices such as using descriptive class names, adhering to single responsibility principle, and providing meaningful documentation for classes and methods. Properly organizing and structuring classes and objects is essential for maintainable and scalable code. Now let us know what are the real based or real world applications of classes and objects. Classes and objects are widely used in real world applications such as web development, game development, data analysis, and machine learning. Understanding classes and objects in Python opens door to various career opportunities. Lastly, coming to the conclusion, demystifying classes and objects in Python is essential for mastering object-oriented programming. By understanding the fundamental concepts and best practices, developers can create well-structured, reusable, and maintainable code. Embracing object-oriented programs or object-oriented principles empowers developers to tackle complex software projects with confidence. And that brings us to an end of the presentation. Thank you so much for your time and attention today. I hope you find the video helpful. So please do like this video and do share it with your friends. Thank you.